Former Virginia Governor Bob McDonnell returned to the stand for his third day of testimony in his corruption trial. A lot of the testimony centered around loans McDonnell received from businessman Johnny Williams. Suzanne Kennedy live in Richmond now with what else we learned in court today. Suzanne.
Allison, the final 5 minutes of testimony here in Richmond was by far the most interesting of the day. Several key questions were asked by Governor McDonnell's defense attorney of McDonnell, the first one being if he blamed his wife. He also asked him if he blamed Johnny Williams for McDonnell being on trial. The governor was also asked whether he thought he had committed any crimes.
I'm the governor. I'm responsible.
Leaving court after his third day on the stand, Bob McDonnell made an emotional disclosure.
I gave my heart and soul to Virginia. I worked as hard as I could, and sometimes my wife and children got the short end of the stick.
Wrapping up testimony today, McDonnell's attorney asked several pointed questions. One of the most pivotal, do you blame Johnny Williams? McDonnell replying, in part. I misjudged him. I thought he was a true friend. I had no idea he would come to federal court and make false statements. Testimony today focused again on the $70,000 in loans former Star Scientific CEO Johnny Williams gave to McDonnell and his wife. McDonnell testifying he thought there was nothing inappropriate about the loans. The governor saying he hadn't asked me for anything. My administration hadn't done anything for him. McDonnell was also questioned at length about the state-required reporting of gifts given to him in office, specifically from Williams. Regarding the $15,000 gift to the former governor's daughter, he said, it was very clear to me that it was a wedding gift. That was how it was explained to me. He admitted he should have reported golf outings with Williams, saying, if it's not on this form, it's my fault. I take responsibility for that. It's an error. Courtroom observers say it all hangs on who the jury believes is telling the truth.
In a contest of credibility between Bob McDonnell, who has his character attested to by Notre Dame priests, and Johnny Williams, who says that he first lied to the prosecutors, Bob McDonnell is going to come out as the victor.
In regard to whether or not the former governor blamed his wife, he said no, he felt that he was accountable, and he said that he did not feel that he had committed any crimes. Today wrapped up the testimony by McDonnell, the questioning by his defense attorney. On Monday, he will be questioned by his wife's lawyers, and then cross-examination will begin by the prosecution sometime next week. Reporting live in Richmond, Virginia, Suzanne Kennedy, ABC 7 News.
All right, Suzanne.